What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video, and today we are doing something a little different. I'm going to strap the GoPro to my forehead and we are going to go for a couple rips in the car. The car is almost fully bolted on. We have the PRL Cobra intake, we have the PRL catless front pipe downpipe, we have a muffler delete and the PRL intercooler. I have K-tuner with the V2 with the TSP stage 1 tune. So the car is pulling quite nice. Let's get strapped up and enjoy the pulls. So we're gonna get a first gear here. It's pretty open. And the car pulls nice, man. It pulls so good. And just so we've recently got a Challenger here. It's an Infiniti. I may lose because I think this is the G37S or this could be G35. I'm not too sure. If I had the CSX, I wouldn't be worried. But like I said, we are not fully bolted on yet, so we shall see. Yo, that rips still. Yo, you want to do a second gear? Yeah. Oh, I might have to go to... Okay. Honk it. $60? I don't... So there we go. Finally, we had a proper race at a honk, and I was side by side with him the entire time, so that's quite impressive. I believe that was a G37. Obviously had exhaust work done and all that, and that was probably the first time I've captured some street pulls against somebody, so that was super exciting actually. My heart was beating. I haven't raced in a while like that. Usually I can rip the car, but I haven't raced in a while. Damn, that was quite exciting. I've actually never captured a race on GoPro before, so that is a little different. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm hoping once I have a full bolt-ons and dynos, we can get a few more pulls with other like 8-gen, 9-gens, and 10-gens, just to see where the car sits. The car feels like it pulls really strong, but you never know until you actually race one. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this. If you want to see more pulls, comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe for your boy. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Later.